Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unfollow a topic on Medium, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, then you can see under the home writing that plus icon, click on that and then you can see the topics that I am following, and if I click on one of these topics you can see the three dots at the top of the screen and you can click unfollow and then you unfollowed a topic. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.